keep stirring and smile.
Stir it real hard. Oh, that's good stirring.
That's a good story.
All right, look at it and smile.
I smile, Mommy.
I see you smile. Yeah, you're sitting on Grandma's lap, finally.
I see you.
I see you.
I see you in the camera.
I see you.
I see you in the camera.
I see you in front of the camera.
Are you looking at the camera? Okay, keep looking.
She looks like you, Mama. When you look at you side by side like that, she's got a lot of your features. She's got your hair.
Now.
Yeah, feed Grandma.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, make sure Grandma gets all her medicine.
Oh, now stir it. Now she's going. Are you taking pictures?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm getting all this for posterity. Yeah, you make sure Grandma gets all of it.
It's two.
That's that Kickapoo Joy Juice.
It's a
I thought it-
purple.
That's what I call
Make a
it.
flash when you take pictures.
No,
You don't.
no.
You did it.
Now. Yeah.
Those little tiny feet hanging down there with Grandma's feet.
Me, mine.
Yeah, I see your little tiny feet.
My tiny.
Your tiny feet. Here's your tiny feet.
I got baby Nana feet.
You got baby Rihanna feet.
I got cold feet.
Cold feet. Oh no.
It's not warm.
Grandma's making bubbles in her mouth.
You made bubbles in your mouth.
Yeah. All right. Now. Gotta rest my throat for a few minutes. It's burning.
I get you a sip.
We can add more cranberry to that.
How many pictures are you taking?
It's a film. I'm just filming you.
Oh.
It's a solid film, Mom. It's not single pictures.
Not single picture.
See, I can stop filming again. And then we show it on the TV. It's a video. It's a video camera.
Baseball camera. This was stir up.
No, don't use that spoon. That's a cereal spoon. You got a good spoon. It's longer. This is short handle. Oh, she's falling off of me.
Look out, look out, look out.
Now,
Can't get more
I
pictures.
thought Mike had to work and
Mom,
work
you
to
can't
do.
get more pictures.
He worked last night.
Mom,
What?
you can't get more pictures.
Why not?
You can't get more pictures.
I can get more pictures anytime I want to.
No!
Why not?
You can't.
Yes, I can.
No!
Yes, I can.
You gotta go use a potty? You don't. We better try to go use a potty. You just got up.
Okay,
Oh.
she's gonna get down.